Hello friends, I welcome you to our channel Affairs 247X. So today we will be discussing current affairs, important current affairs of the past 2 days, that is 30th June and 1st July 2021. So yes, these current affairs which I have segregated, and these are the most important which you should go through just before your examinations, right? Now before wasting any further time, we will proceed further. And our first question is, which female actor of India which female actor of India has become the world's number one female archer by winning three gold medals at the Paris Archery World Cup? Options are Dola Banerjee, Ankita Bucket, Deepika Kumari, Riddhi Patel. Your answer is option number C, that is Deepika Kumari. Question number 2. India Ratings has estimated India GDP growth rate to be what percent in the financial year 2021 to 2022? Options are 9.6%, then 9%, 6%, and 10%. Your correct answer is option number A, that is 9.6%. Question number 3. Where has DRDO successfully test fired Agni Prime recently? Options are Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Karnataka, and Odisha. The correct answer is Odisha. Question number 4. Who has been appointed as the Central Vigilance Commission recently? Options are Amitabh Kant, Ajit Doval, Suresh N. Patel, R.K. Singh. Correct answer is option number C, Suresh N. Patel. Question number 5. Who has recently been honored with the Spanish Princess of Australian Literature Award? Options are Emmanuel Carrer, Sandeep Mishra, William Stokes, Max Verstappen. Your correct answer is Emmanuel Carrer. Question number 6. Who has recently won the Styrian Grand Prix F1 race 2021? Options are Emmanuel Carrer, Max Verstappen, Sandeep Mishra, William Stokes. Correct answer is option number B, Max Verstappen. Question number 7. Who has written the book Fiercely Female, the Duty Chand story recently? Options are Sudeep Mishra, Dola Banerjee, Ankita Bucket, Riddhi Patel. Answer is Sudeep Mishra. Question number 8. Recently, who has become the new chairman of the National Dairy Development Board? Options are Sudeep Mishra, Dola Banerjee, Ankita Bucket, and Minesh Shah. Your answer is Minesh Shah. Question number 9. Which is the first state in the country to provide the facility of genome sequencing recently? Options are Rajasthan, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Kerala. So the answer is Rajasthan. Question number 10th. Recently, who has been awarded highest civilian honor of Mongolia? Options are Sudeep Mishra, Dola Banerjee, R.K. Samarwal, and Ankita Bucket. Your correct answer is R.K. Samarwal. Question number 11th. Who has promised 300 units of free electricity to each family in Punjab ahead of assembly polls next year? Options are Arvind Kejriwal, Uddhav Thackeray, Vijay Rupani, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. The correct answer is Arvind Kejriwal. Question number 12. ISRO is scheduled to launch its first uncrewed mission in which month this year? Options are November, October, December, and September 2021. The correct answer is December 2021. Question number 13th. Asia's longest high-speed track for automobiles has been inaugurated in which Indian city? Your options are Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, Indore. Your correct answer is Indore. Question number 14th. What is the latest ranking of Mithali Raj in the ICC Women's Player Ranking? Options are 6th, 5th, 8th, and 9th. Correct answer is 5th. Question number 15. Which company has been granted permission to import Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine? Option A is Cipla, then SII, then Sanofi, then Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. Correct answer is Cipla. Now we'll revise again in a fast way. Your first question is, which female actor of India has become the world's number one female archer by winning three gold medals at the Paris Archery World Cup? Answer is Deepika Kumari. India's rating has estimated India's GDP growth rate to be what percent in the financial year 2021-2022? Option is 9.6%. Question number 3. Where has DRDO successfully tested Fire Agni Prime recently? In Odisha. Question number 4. Who has been appointed as the Central Vigilance Commission recently? Option is Suresh N. Patel. Question number 5. Who has recently been honored with the Spanish Princess of Australian Literature Award? Answer is Emmanuel Carrier. Question number 6. Who has recently won the Stuyden Grand Prix F1 race 2021? Your answer is Max Verstappen. Question number 7. Who has written the book Fiercely Female, The Duties Chand Story recently? Answer is Sudeep Mishra. Question number 8. Recently, who has become the new chairman of the National Dairy Development Board? Answer is Manish Shah. Question number 9. Which is the first state in the country to provide the facility of genome sequencing recently? Answer is Rajasthan. Question number 10. Recently, who has been awarded the highest civilian honor of Mongolia? Answer is R.K. Samarwal. Question number 11. Who has promised 300 units of free electricity to family in Punjab ahead of assembly polls next year? Answer is Arvind Kejriwal. Question number 12. ISRO is scheduled to launch its first uncrewed mission in which month this year? Answer is December 2021. Question number 13. Asia's longest high-speed track for automobiles has been inaugurated in which Indian city? Answer is Indore. Question number 14. What is the latest ranking of Mithali Raj in the ICC World Player Ranking? Answer is 5th. Question number 15. Which company has been granted permission to import Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine? Answer is Cipla. Now we'll take a revision of last week, which whatever we have gone through. There's a few questions I have mentioned in this PPT PDF so that you can refer it again and you will get the PDF in our Telegram channel. So do subscribe to our channel also. Okay, so we'll revise it further in a very fast way so that you will be not wasting much time, and yes, we'll be getting more content in less time. Yes, so your revision portion is, when World Elder Abuse Awareness Day is observed? Answer 15th June. Question number, and recently ICRA estimated India's GDP growth rate for the financial year 2022. How much? It's 8.5%. Now, who has written the book Home in the World recently? Amartya Sen. Envision is the mission of which space agency? European Space Agency. Next question. Which professor of IT Roorkee has recently won the NSJ award for explosive resistant helmet? Answer is Professor Shailesh Govind Ganpule. Next question. Recently, who has become the new Prime Minister of Israel? Answer is Naftali Bennett. Next question. In which country Indian mango promotion program has been started recently? Answer is Bahrain. Next question. In June 2021, the Agriculture Ministry launched the Seed Mini Kit program, a centrally sponsored scheme under which mission? Answer is National Food Security Mission. Next question. Which country is going to host the 8th Triennial Conference of the International Nitrogen Initiative in 2021, June 2021 virtually? Answer is Germany. Next question. India aims to restore how much of degraded land by 2030 as per PM Narendra Modi? Answer is 26 million hectare. Next question. Which state government has decided to train 5,000 US as health assistants for possible third wave of COVID-19? Your answer is Delhi. Next question. Which state has decided to set up its own series of annual awards similar to Bharat Ratna? Answer is Assam. Twitter has lost its safe harbor immunity in which nation? Answer is India. The world's first wooden satellite will be launched from which nation? Answer is New Zealand. Which among the following book won the Pulitzer Prize 2021 in fiction category? Answer is The Night Watchman. Yes, so these are your questions for the revision purpose. You will be getting both the topics, the latest current affairs plus the revision portion, so that you will be very go through with your current affairs and you will not face any situation, any problem in during your examinations. And yes, I have a question for your for your homework. Just answer the give your answer in the comment box. The question is, who is the composer of the official song of the Indian Olympic team of the Tokyo Olympics? Options are Arjit Singh, Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, Sara Junaid, and Mohit Chauhan. So give your answer in the comment box and let me know what is the correct answer. And before winding up this session, please subscribe to our channel Affairs 247X. You will be getting all the latest current affairs and yes, all the latest updates regarding your examinations. So stay tuned and stay focused. Also subscribe to our Instagram channel where you will be getting daily fantastic posts. You may go through that. Yes. So till that, keep healthy, stay fit, and yes, we'll meet soon tomorrow. Thank you.